What if I told you you could learn 10x faster than your classmates by using these proven tricks by CIA? No textbooks, no boring lectures, just pure brain hacking madness. Welcome to Easy Mode Spy Edition. Number 1 is sleep like a spy. Yes, you can literally learn while sleeping. The Soviets trained their spies with theta wave hypo-learning, that dreamy state before awake and asleep where your brain turns into a knowledge sponge. Now you may ask, okay, how can I use that trick? Well, before bed, try to play 4 harsh theta wave music from YouTube. I would give some links in the description, and review flashcards or notes. So another cheat code you can use is snap your finger while studying. Later, when you're distracted, snap your finger again, boom. Your brain will instantly focus again, like a spy sleeper agent reactivated. Step 2 is train in chaos. Spies aren't trained in silence. They study with shouting, gunfire, basically in every chaos moment. Why they do that? They do that because learning in chaos trains your brain to focus anywhere. And what is your hack? Play background cafe noise, add random alarms, even blast annoying sounds every 7 minutes. It's wild, but it works. Just try to remember not to do that before any exam or important test. Try to do that on weekends or some days, which is not that important. Step 3 is 5 sense memory hack. Have you ever smelled something and got teleported to childhood, like some candy smell or perfume smell? Well, the CIA weaponized that and they use it very often. You can use it too. You can also use it before an exam. Try this. Try to chew a special flavored chewing gum while studying a topic, and if you chew the same flavored chewing gum during the exam, it will help you to recall information. Yes, try to use similar flavored chewing gum during both of the time. Then it will work perfectly. And instead of that, if you listen to some meme song or some weird song in Spotify, your brain will recall those stupid songs during the exam. You probably faced that thing before. Well, similarly, your brain is very good at recalling smells, colors, and songs. You can also use that trick with perfume, but I can't guarantee that perfume will last longer. Step 4 is the memory place trick. You can use your house as a cheat code. You can put your math formulas on your fridge. You can add some important catchphrases in front of your washing machine. On the mirror, you can also add some important topics which you would like to memorize anytime. By doing that, if you go to that specific place, your brain will remember that particular part of the house with the lessons you mentioned or the formula you have written. By doing that, if you want to remember your math formulas, then you should think about your fridge and it will instantly help you to recall the valuable information. And the final step is screen download mode. Study one thing for a particular time, like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, then switch to another topic. By doing that, your brain will never feel bored. Like you can study English for 25 minutes and after that you can switch to mathematics. It's called interlearning. You would see a lot of famous teachers advising this trick because it's very useful and it turns your brain into a cross-training beast, and you can almost cover 2 entirely different topics in just 1 hour by using this valuable trick. Okay, so I mentioned all the tricks are hypo-learning, chaos training, memory hacks, and topic switching. By doing this for 21 days, your brain will learn faster and it would feel like you're cheating the system, like you're an CIA agent.